Another day, another chance to embarrass myself. We're gonna figure out how to do calligraphy today, in case you hadn't figured that out yet. My handwriting's horrible. So what I got here, I got this thing for Christmas. Oh God, it's a pamphlet. Oh no. A brief history. The word calligraphy comes from ancient Greek words that mean beauty in writing. I don't care. Let's get into the pens. They gave me 3 of them. What? They have like a hole in the middle. Got like 4 different tips here. Nibs. Oh, there's a whole bunch of different colors. Start with black, like my soul. How? So we got one of these. I imagine. Sure. Okay. Okay, now what? Doesn't make any sense. Oh! Watch close. Oh, it's in there. I feel absolutely 100% certain I'm gonna spill ink everywhere. I feel like I started with the wrong nib. There's no ink coming out. Whoa. Oh. We're getting somewhere. Getting real drippy. I'm making a mess. Just as I supposed I would. Oh yeah, there's ink everywhere. Perfect. See that? See that? Calligraphy. Or maybe I was not doing calligraphy because I wasn't sitting up straight in a chair at a table or desk, keeping my feet flat on the floor and leaning forward a bit, or holding my pen at a 45-degree angle. Oh. Practice. This is not gonna work.
And now, a brief intermission while Eddie learns what he must.
Right, so it's looking like the idea, if you're trying to make it thin lines going up, really thick lines going down. Some absolute idiot calls lowercase letters minuscule letters, and majuscules are capital letters. The more you know. And that is everything they taught me. Go try it on posters, it says. Write your favorite monograms. Who has a favorite monogram? Nobody. Anyway, back to the video.
Another short intermission while Eddie goes and watches that video he was watching.
That video was for idiots. She started talking about iPads? As if that is calligraphy? No. Absolutely not. This is calligraphy. Okay, can we just figure out what calligraphy is? Because really, there's too much. Decorative handwriting or handwritten lettering. So it's just pretty. This is offensive to me because I can't write pretty. I have a plan. We are gonna find a whole calligraphy alphabet. Just copy it. Just do it 100 times, and I'm gonna get good at it. Here we go. Let's get all set up here. Oh God, this looks terrible. I have a horrible feeling about this. I'm conquering my fear today. My fear of my own handwriting. Let me show you for reference what my handwriting really is. What's up? Home slice. You see that? That's how I write. All the time. Now I want you to look at this. Look at the W. It's in there. H. How does that compare? It doesn't. Whatever, I don't care, let's do it. I'm literally only 2 lines in. Ugh. How many minutes is 825 seconds?
13.75 minutes.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 lines. I'm tired now. I don't think I even got good at it. This is what I feel like I'm back in preschool when they were teaching us letters. This is just like preschool. Life is just like preschool. Listen, I'm gonna write. I'm still not even sure what a W is. Where is it? What is this? We'll see what I can do. Okay, here we go. Okay, that looks like a U. There's our W. Light upstrokes, heavy downstrokes. W, and then H. A. What? Now I can cross my T because I finished what? Do I put an apostrophe? I guess. S. What's? I think U is just like 2 U's. I remember P. P looks like a P. I've already taken up a full line for this, for what's up. Now I gotta do home slice, the hard part. Let's try a fancy question mark. That was the best part of the entire thing. Once again, the original. And now, what you've all been waiting for, the new and improved. It's better. It is better. That's not saying a lot. But what have we learned today? We've learned that calligraphy is difficult and that it's like being in preschool again. What have I done? Anyway, if you enjoyed, then I don't care what you do. Just don't ever try calligraphy. I want you to know that when I just walked over there, there's nothing for me to walk over to. It's my closet. All right. Now we get to the $1 million question. Did I figure it out? Well, yeah, I figured it out. We got there. It just takes lots of practice and a profusely disgusting amount of time and effort. But if that's what you're into and you're willing to destroy your hands for some pretty handwriting, be my guest, okay? Go ahead. I'm not willing to subject myself for that pain though. But now I know how if I want to. Alright, good. We did learn something. I did figure it out.